To import the BullX wallet into Phantom Wallet, you need to extract the private key from BullX and use it in Phantom. Be cautious when handling private keys, as they grant full access to your wallet. Here's how. Access your BullX wallet. Open the BullX wallet application on your device and log in. Export the private key. Navigate to the Settings or Wallet Management section in the BullX app. Find the option to view or export your wallet's private key. It might be labeled as Export Private Key or similar. Enter your password or provide authentication if prompted. Copy the private key securely. Avoid sharing it or saving it in insecure locations. Install Phantom Wallet. Download and set up the Phantom Wallet extension or mobile app. Import the private key into Phantom. Open Phantom and select Import Wallet. Choose the option to use a private key. Paste the BullX private key into the provided field and complete the process. Verify the wallet. Once imported, ensure the wallet's address and balance match your BullX wallet.